Good morning, good afternoon, good night. I am Ryan Cook. Whatever time you're watching this video, thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing.
I'm still out there. Oh my God.
Perfect, I like that.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, get the net, it's a DD. Get the net, bro, please get the net. Oh my God, this is a DD.
Hey, what's up guys? Nick the Informative Fisherman here, and you're watching Common Sense Fishing. Check it out.
Bam!
When they're monsters like that, they can, huh?
What you looking at? Back at Lake Don Pedro, this is Blue Oaks, and we're ready to get on some fish. It's, I believe, November 30th. So wish us luck, and we'll see you guys out on the lake on the first fish. Thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. Got him. Little guy? Yeah. Number 2. Come on. This guy's a little guy. He was hugging that rock wall tight. There we go, number 2 for me. See you guys on the next one. This one feels like a little guy. Coming out of about 60 feet deep. Yeah, little guy. Spitting up a bunch of shad. Fish number 3 on the day for me. Let's get some more. Alright, little guy, not what we want. Let's find some bigger fish. So right now, kind of sticking with the same technique and pattern as last time. Short leader, just a slight drag, not much movement, and they're there. So they're just loading up like weight, almost like a snag, and then you'll feel the bite once they kind of feel you, or they feel the pressure, then they pull on it. That one came out of 61 feet. So we'll see you guys on the next fish. Thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. Yeah, this one's a better fish. This one I seen on the fish finder. It's a spotted bass. It's all right. Like I'm spitting all them shad up. Nice. All right, that's a decent spotted bass. So nothing too crazy, but out here at Lake Don Pedro, getting them 40 feet deep or so. Drop shot, just a slow up and down movement, not much to it, not a lot of hopping or anything, and sticking them. Fish number 4. So see you guys on the next one. Sorry. Oh, hey now. All right, so we got another one here, fish number 5. All right, I got my limit now. Well, I got a dink though, so. All right, let's stay on them. Drop shot is putting them in the boat today, putting some work in out here at Don Pedro. Thanks for watching. Hope these tips and tricks help out. So they're obviously close to shore as well as out deep. Just fish slow, take your time, and we'll get on them. Look what I caught, folks. Ned rig. Let's get this frog eggs off. Bye-bye. Alright guys and gals, there's a fire right over the ridge here. We're at the back of Don Pedro, what is commonly referred to as the mine shaft, for those of you who know this spot here. On the back end, heading into Rogers Creek. And there's a fire on the back side of Don Pedro. And there's a helicopter picking up buckets of water and dropping it. Oh, it's cool, huh? You see that? Drop it again. You just dropped another bucket. So here in a second, we should get to see them come back and pick up water, and they've been refilling right here in front of us. So here they come. This is gonna be cool. Let's check this out, folks. Helicopter's coming right there, and he's gonna refill right here. We'll hang out off of this point, see if we can catch a nice helicopter bass with the helicopter lure. Here he comes. Isn't that something else, right? Huh? And they come right in and swoop up some water. Stir up all the water for us and get the bass going right there. Check him out. He's gonna drop like a hose in there. He's gonna siphon the water up. That's pretty cool. Look at that. You don't get to see that every day, huh, guys and gals? This is how the fire department puts out fires in the mountains. They come swoop in, suck up a bunch of water. Hopefully they don't take none of our fish. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Then he's gonna go fly it off and drop it off on the mountain there. In the middle of almost the beginning of December, they're out here having to put a fire out. There she goes. Look at that. Go dump it back on the fire. No, he wasn't. Like, the door's not closing all the way. Might be like a piece of wood, or maybe one of our big bass stuck in there in the doors. Right? There he goes. This one feels like it might be a little better, huh? We'll see. Been all fighting pretty good because they're coming out a little deep. This one's... There we go. Number 7, lucky number 7 here. Spotted bass. Fatty right here. Look at that belly. They're eating. Just slow, steady as she goes. Yeah, I know, it's tough. Nice fat belly. Alright, let's let her go. See you guys on the next one. Right now, a little bit different than the other day. I'm seeing some of them on Fish Finder today, and they're not all slammed to the bottom, but it looks like a good portion of them are. And looks like the dragging technique is winning out over any kind of hops and plays, but I am giving it a little bit of movement, but not much. Kind of shaking it very lightly like this, or dragging it left to right. We're getting them slow but steady. So we'll see you guys on the next fish. Thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing.
Play like that.
Oh, this one's a gooder one, I think. Gooder. Look at my English, broken English. Yeah, this one's, You can tell by the head shakes and pulls. This guy's a little bigger. Yeah, this guy's definitely a little bigger. Not anything special, but yeah, spotted bass. That's why he's fighting so good. He's a good spotted bass. That's a nice picture fish. Okay, let's see. And bam, good. Oh, hey now. Let's get him up here and get him off everything. Don't mess up. There we go. Yeah. Nice spotted bass here. All right. So I seen this guy on the fish finder. There was two of them, looked like him and a partner in crime. So I dropped down and he snatched it right away. That's a luck box fish. So thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. We'll see you guys on the next one. I believe this is fish number 8. So see you guys in a minute. Dug on a fish. You need the net or you good?
They were big.
Oh, hey, fish is a fish. When it's a tough day, celebrate every victory, right? That guy came out of a lot deeper, huh? 50s, yeah. There you go, nice. Got dug with the skunk out the boat and the fish in the boat there, 50 feet deep. I love fishing these mother lode lakes. They can be brutal and tough, but so much fun. And then big ones come out, huh? Now we're having a hard time sticking them today, but you know what? Any day on the lake beats a day in the office. The dam in about 30 feet, 25 feet of water. Seen this guy on Fish Finder just dropped down and he pegged it right away. So thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. 70 Merc, I think. Alright guys and gals. Whoa! There we go. Hey, decent little spotted bass here. Yeah, pretty decent. Let's get him up here. Whoa, come on now. There's quite a few down there with this, where this one came out of. So let's get back down there. Get him. So, getting them out here at Lake Don Pedro, right off the dam in 30 something feet of water. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next fish. Ooh, it's a good one. You got a net? Oh, here. Don't worry about it. Just get it in. It's not big or anything, but just get it into me and I'll snap it. Oh, but that's a nice largie, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, that's a largie. It's a good one too. A 2.5. 2 1/4. Biggest fish of the day. Hey, you got a couple fish now. That's a good one too. Good job. On Texas rig? Yeah. Nice. On that worm we were talking about. That pink color. Look at that, guys and gals. Doug just stroked himself a nice large one. Look at the belly on this guy. They're eating. Look at that. Yeah, exactly. Good job. Yeah. All right, let's let him go. I like letting them go like this, set them in the water. And let 'em- Yeah, and then I slow it down in slow-mo on the video. It's always good to have a fun time. What the heck? Hey, I know that feeling. You gotta love it.
Never did a drop shot.
Right? Oh, you gotta love it, and especially when you get to set the hook. Well, guys and gals, we're out here at Lake Don Pedro. We're probably gonna fish a little bit more, not much. Heading back to the ramp there. Gonna go ahead and get in here and fish along these along this point, and then take off. But I hope you enjoyed today's show, getting them on the drop shot. He just got him on the Texas rig, so anywhere from that guy looked like he came out of maybe only 15, 20.
Well, I was about 20 feet from that banker. So.
Yeah, doesn't look like that one was too deep. So they're all over. We just got to catch them.